Now they both decided it was fun to play with the extra saucer. Sydney's trying to show Riker how all the stuff works. Aren't you, Sydney? Riker, you watching what Sydney's doing? Yeah. What is that, Sydney? Is that a horse? That's actually a seal, not a doggy. That's right, that's a horse noise. Can you say horse? Nope. Okay. Yes, there is a doggy on there. Alright, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.